Hey, got a nice little tech tip for you here on Harley's new M8 Softail Heritage. I got a common problem. A lot of customers, they're very fortunate enough to trailer their motorcycles to Florida or Arizona or wherever they're going. Sturgis, doesn't matter. But what happens is these bikes now with the security, and they don't have the fob within range of the motorcycle, they'll trailer it like 1,000 miles one way and the flashes will be going off. It just sucks the battery down. They get there, they go to unload the motorcycle, battery's dead. They can't figure it out. Well, their salesman didn't kind of go through it with them, or they didn't read their manual. But it's called transport mode. And on this particular model, this is how you do it. It's got no key, keyless ignition. So if you're reading in the manual, fob must be present. There it is. Okay, the fob's present. Now, every year group is kind of different. That's why you're going to want to look at your owner's manual. This bike, they actually want it to set in the run position and then set it to off. Simultaneously push both the buttons. Right on the dash it says transport mode active. Flashes me 3 times, that lets me know it's in transport mode. Perfect. Now my battery won't be dead when I get somewhere. And now you're probably saying, how do I get it out of transport mode? Got the fob present, turn the motorcycle on, it's deactivated, you're ready to roll. There you go.